Hello, my dear CMA students. How are you? I know most of you will say, sir, not really good because of all the fuss going around with the delayed results. I know there is a lot of stress, a lot of tension going around, a lot of tweets going around, and everything is happening. But the preparations must go on for your upcoming attempt. All those who are preparing for December 22, for June 23, for December 23, you cannot stop your preparation among all the fuss. The fuss will clear out, the results will be out very soon, and you have to continue with your preparations, right? So tell me in the comment section, how are your preparations going on, and any issues that you are facing, you must tell me in the comment section. So here we are with one of the most awaited course of CMA Intermediate that students had been asking me since very long time that, sir, as you have done it for CA Intermediate, the study material question discussion series, a very small series, but very interesting and one of the most important series. The CA students have loved that series beyond anything. So all thanks to each and everyone who have contributed to it. And you people are the real motivation behind all this. And with that motivation, we are coming up with the CMA Intermediate Cost Accounting paper number 8 module question discussion series, which is now available on our Android and iOS app. The links are given in the video description. Do download the app because you will get some free notes there also. Especially the CMA Student Cost Accounting Standard English series is going on. Currently on the YouTube, the notes are available free of cost on our app, so do not miss out on this. And please do share with all your friends. And if you have not yet subscribed to the channel, please do subscribe to the channel because this is the one channel where you will get the full course lectures free of cost on YouTube, and obviously quality. You people definitely know that, right? So this is one paper I'll give you. I'll just brief you on that. There is one introductory lecture that is available on the app itself, which explains that how we are going to go about with the course. I'll give you just the brief on it. Do watch the video till the end and do share with all your friends who wish to join this series because this is going to be somewhat very important from the examination point of view, and we are going to discuss about the critical areas. I'm going to tell you the alternative presentations. I'm going to tell you a lot of things there, right? Even we are going to solve each and every question, right? Even the unsolved questions, which are the unsolved questions at the back, we are going to solve that. So you are going to get each and every solution to your problem. This is a problem solving course basically, right? All your problems are my problems now, and I am going to solve each and every problem for you people so that exams are absolutely smooth, right? And most importantly, you are going to have the offline examinations now, back to offline from online, because after all the problems the students faced in the online examination, the institute has decided to go for the offline examinations again, right, to the old pattern almost. There might be some twist in the offline examinations. Let's see how it goes. But definitely you have to cover each and every topic, and that is what we are going to cover in this course, right? So do not miss out. Just take a small brief on this. This course, one very important information about this course is the language, right? This course is going to be in complete English. Why, sir? Because many of our CMA students are from the southern part of India and they feel left out if I do this course in Hindi language, right? So it is going to be very simple English. Everybody from it doesn't matter to which state or which city you belong to, you will be able to understand because we are going to do it in very simple English so that your, the southern counterparts are also able to subscribe to the course and take the benefit of this course, because I got a lot of requests from the southern students, CMA student, that sir, please do this course in English. Initially, I was planning to do it in Hindi, but then I decided that not even a single student from this country should feel left out. That is very important for me. For me, each and every student is equally important. I do not want that a single CMA student should feel left out, that sir, you have not done anything for us. So I'm doing it for each and every one of you because you are a part of this family, you make this family, so it is my responsibility to take care of this extended family, right? So this course is going to be in English. You will get sufficient number of views are there, 3 views, 3 hours of I think almost 3 views you will get, not 3 hours of viewing, approximately 30 minutes will be the lecture duration. You will get 1 hour 30 minutes for this lectures, right? So each lecture. So that means approximately 3 views, 9 months is the validity. This course is going to be in complete English. Each and every question we are going to solve, even the unsolved questions we are going to solve, right? So guys, what are you waiting for? This is the opportunity for you. This is for December 22, June 23, and December 23. Okay, one very important question, sir. Is it for new course or old course? It is currently we are following the module of old course, but even if the new course students will join, the questions of paper number 8 are almost same, right? But if they want to wait, the June 23 students, if you want to wait, if you can wait, I will come up with the same course for the new module also, with the new module, right? Because there are sometimes, you know, we have that mental block. No, sir, we want it from the new module. I'll be coming up with the new module. It is currently for the old course students. Specifically, we are using the old module, right? And after that, after completing this, we'll be coming up with the new modules also. So nothing to worry about it. And I know after this, a lot of students are going to ask me for paper number 10, financial management. So guys, don't worry. I'll come up with that, right? Costing and financial management, cost and management, accounting and financial management. I'll come up with that also. Please focus on paper number 8 as of now. So what you have to do is how to subscribe to this course. The app links are given in the description of this video. Download the app. It is available for both Android and iOS, right? All the details are given in the description of this video. You can read out from there. Download the app, go to the store section, and there you will find the course for the CMA Intermediate paper number 8, cost accounting. So guys, go for it. See you in the class. And very important, if required, we can have the live sessions also. I can take up the live queries in between. Although it is a recorded course, it is a fully recorded course. It will be, okay, start date. It is going to start from 5th of October. 5th of October 2022, and estimated completion date is 15th of November. Right? You have sufficient time after that for revision and practice. So we are going to cover a lot of things, and I might give you something extra, some extra bonuses in this course itself, which is going to be really beneficial for you. So guys, go for it. This is the course you had been demanding for a long time. I have listened to you. Now you can go for it and enjoy, right? So stay safe, guys. Stay healthy. Keep studying, keep sharing. Thank you so much.